Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to ALN Studio tutorial 92, and today's topic is how to add a matching dot animation in network diagram in ALN Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the next page you would be redirected to is the workspace page. Over there you need to select the cloud architecture feature, and then the next pop-up you need to select system architecture. Why? Because in ALN Studio the server system architecture helps you create network diagrams. So I have already generated the diagram for my use case, which is a basic small setup where you have firewall, modem, internet, and users in your office setup. Now today we are discussing for the animation. So kindly click on the animation panel, click on the marching dots, and you would see that there are a few number of dots which will flow around your arrows showing the flow of the diagram. So if you want to change the number of dots, you can do it from here. If you want to update the dot spacing, you can update it from here. If you want to change the animation speed, you can do it from here. If you want to update the depth field, you can do it from here. If you want to change the dot size, you can do it from here. If you want to change the dot color, you can do it from here. If you want to change the glow intensity, you can do it from here. So basically adding a marching dot animation in ALN Studio helps you make your network diagrams more dynamic and easy to understand. This is it for today's tutorial.